first chapter, linear equations into variables, practice set 1.2, question number 3. Now, in this question, we can draw the graph. Mean that there are two equations are given. We have to solve by using graphical method. Now look here. The question is that x plus y is equal to 0 and second one is 2x minus y is equals to 9. These are the two simultaneous equations. We solve these equations by using the graphical method. So first solution of this question is solution. The given equation is x plus y is equals to 0. Student, we can rearrange this equation. When we transpose this x to this another side, at that time y is equals to 0 minus x. So I have to directly write here minus x. Now then take any three numbers of x. We can find out the value of y by using these three values of the x. Here is x, here is y, here is coordinate, here is x comma y. Now we take any values of the x as you like. Here I have taken here 1, then this one is suppose that minus 2 and this is the 3. When now this is the simple one, so I have to directly substitute this value of the x here and directly write the value of y. So if you have to put the value of x is 1 here, we get y is equals to minus 1. So that the order pair of this is 1 and minus 1. Means that x quantity is 1 and y quantity is minus 1. Then we substitute the value of x is minus 2. At that time here is minus in bracket minus 2, minus minus plus, means that y is equals to plus 2. So that the order pair is minus 2 and 2. Third one is, if you put the value of x is 3 here, then y is equals to minus 3, means that answer is minus 3. Means that order pair is 3 and minus 3. This is the simple one equation. Then we take the second equation, and the equation second is 2x minus y is equals to 9. Now at that time you have to convert this 2x to this another side. Then this is the simple one equation. Therefore minus y is equals to 9 minus 2x. Then student, I have to also changing the sign of this minus y as plus. Then the signs of remaining equations also changes. So I have to write here. Therefore this minus convert as plus. Here is minus 9 and this is plus 2x. Then we write this equation such as y is equals to, first I have to write this 2x because having the positive sign, so take the first here. Then this minus 9. This is the equation. I have to reduce this equation from this original equation. We use this to solve the next table. Now for this, again we draw one chart by taking any three value of the x and we have to find out the value of y here. X, y, here is x and y coordinate. These are the, suppose that three values of x as you want. You have to take this value. But look here, the value of x takes such that when we have to find out its product and subtraction, the values is not bigger because this is also we can draw on the graph paper. So take the smaller values which having the product and its subtraction is less than or equal to 6 or 8. So that suppose if you have to take here 2, then 2 to the 4, 4 minus 9 becomes so reducible value. So I have to take here this first one is 2. Then 3. Then we take 4. Okay. Then we have to find out this value of y by using this equation. So first I have to write here, put x is equals to 2. I have to take direct this equation. Therefore y is equals to 2 into x is 2 plus minus 9. second, put x is equals to 3. Therefore, y is equals to 2 into 3 minus 9. We substitute the value of x here. We get that 2 3s are 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. So here minus 3 means that 3 and minus 3. This is the order pair. And the third one is put x is equals to 4. At that time y is equals to 2 into 4 minus 9. 2 into 4 minus 9. Then 2 4s are 8 minus 9. The subtraction becomes minus 1. So I will write here minus 1. It becomes 4 and minus 1. This is the order pair. Now student, by using this order pair, we can draw the graph of the given equations. I have to draw this graph on this board. Now this is the horizontal line named as x-axis. I have to take here x and x dash. Now then this is the vertical line. It is called as y-axis. Here I have to show here y and y dash. Then it intersect each other in one point. This is origin having ordinate is 0 0. Here I have to take here scale. Always write scale is on both axes. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, this is the scale. So by using this scale, this is 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then to this side there is minus. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is minus numbers 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, etc. Now then, I have plot these points of the first equation x plus y is equals to 0. Order pair is 1 and minus 1. So that, look here, first x coordinate is positive sign and this is negative, means that plus and minus. Plus and minus means that lies in the fourth quadrant. So I have plot this point 1 and minus 1 in the fourth quadrant. So I have to take here and the coordinate is 1 and minus 1. Then next one is minus 2 and 2. Minus and plus lies in second quadrant. So that minus 2 and 2 lies in second quadrant, minus 2 and this 2. This is our coordinate minus 2 and 2. Then next one is 3 and minus 3. Also lies in fourth quadrant. So that 3 and minus 3. This 3 and this is minus 3. This is 3 and this is minus 3. Here I will write 3 and minus 3. Now then by using the scale you have to join this accurately, these 3 points. Then write the equation to the any side of that line. The equation is, original equation is x plus y is equals to 0. This is our equation first, the graph of the first equation. Then we draw the equation second. The equation second is 2x minus y is equals to 9. We have to reduce it, y is equal to x minus 9, and substituting values of the x into this equation, we have to find the value of y. Then we plot these points of x and y coordinate here, 2 and minus 5. 2 and minus 5 lies in which quadrant? Again plus and minus, in that fourth quadrant. So that this is the coordinate here, 2 and minus 5. Okay, this is 2 and minus 5. Then next one is 3 and minus 3. 3 is plus and minus again lies in which? Fourth quadrant. Means that same coordinate here. Means that these are the same. So this is the same point, 3 and minus 3. This is the second point. Already which is also in for first also. Then next one is 4 and minus 1. 4 having plus and then minus means that lies in again fourth quadrant. Then 4 and minus 1. Now student, when joined by using the scale, at that time, this is also passes through these 3 and minus 3 because the point of intersection of these two lines. Now here is the equation is 2x minus y is equals to 9. This is the two equations here of the lines. These two lines intersect in one point, and this point is 3 and minus 3. So that here I have to write here the intersecting point. Intersecting point is 3 and minus 3. Therefore, answer in full sentence, the solution of given simultaneous equation is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to how much? Minus 3. Means that this is the point of intersection of the given two simultaneous lines. This is the answer of the given exam. Student, can you understand this? This is very, very important example. Okay, then take next question. Again, solve by using graphical method. The question number 4, 3x minus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. Now again, we have to solve by using graphical method. So its solution is. Now first I take the first equation here. 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now realize this. Here is y having coefficient 1 and having minus sign. So I have to transpose to this another side. So it is converted as 3x and these two transpose to this another side. Means that minus 2 is equals to this minus y transpose as plus y. Can you understand this step? This is plus, transpose here minus. This is minus, transpose to this side, it convert as plus. Then I have to write this equation by starting with y variable is equals to 3x minus 2. We take this equation and prepare one table taking any three values of x, find out the value of y here and find out its coordinates there also, x comma y. This one is the first and second. Student, take such values. When we take its product and subtract this, it's not a bigger numbers. Mean that value of y is, take small numbers also. For this, take, suppose value of x is 1, this is 0, suppose that third one is 2. Then I have to substitute this value and find out the values of y. Then first put x is equals to 1 into this equation, then y is equals to 3 into 1 minus 2. Means that 3 1 are 3 minus 2 is equals to how much? 1. Means 1. Order pair is 1 and 1. Then second one is put x is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 3 into 0 minus 2. Means that y is equals to 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So that 0 and minus 2. Means that lies on the y-axis. Then third one is put x is equals to 2. Therefore, y is equals to 3 into 2 minus 2. Means that 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Means that 2 and 4, this is the third order pair. Now, take second one example. Now the example second is 2x minus y is equals to 3. Again, I have to interchange this. This y minus convert